The Fiat 124 Spider might not have crash test evaluations, but rather it offers some security additional items, and its nimbleness can enable ready drivers to keep away from mishaps. The 2018 Fiat 124 Spiders has all the ordered well-being highlights, and offers a couple of additional items, however hasn't been crash tried, and in this manner we can't give it a score for security. Fiat outfits the 124 Spider with the essential double front and front side airbags, and in addition footing control and security control. Discretionary security highlights incorporate a rear view camera, raised stop help, and blind side screens with raised cross movement alarms. Neither the legislature nor this has crash tried the Fiat 124 Spider. Don't anticipate that either office will do as such, as games autos have a tendency to be generally low volume and are normally not tested. We do view the 124's dealing with as a well-being highlight. Alarm and experienced drivers can utilize the car's readiness to dodge crashes. We empower all drivers, yet particularly Don's auto purchasers, to search out proficient driving guideline to learn security nuts and bolts, for example, braking separation and appropriate correction. The greatest change between the two autos lies in the engine. While the Miata is spurred by a normally Section 2.0 liter inline 4 that makes 155 strength and 148 pound-feet of torque, the Fiat gets Fiat Chrysler's turbocharged 1.4 liter 4-barrel that makes as much as 164 horsepower and 184 pounds-to-foot of torque. Notwithstanding the Fiat's better power numbers, the Mazda is speedier to 60 miles per hour, however the Fiat has better passing punch. The two autos offer a similar 6-speed manual and program transmissions, and mileage is fundamentally the same as a 29 to 30 miles per gallon joined. The Fiat 124 Spider owes its most prominent quality to Mazda designing. At only 2,436 pounds, it is to a great degree light, however around 100 pounds heavier than the Mazda. In any case, the driving character is much the same, smooth riding with some lean in turns, however exceptionally light-footed when driven hard and dependably ground actuating.